This video will cover the cleaning of volumetric glassware. Volumetric glassware, as a general rule, is only used for preparing standards and transferring solutions to a glass or polyethylene bottle for storage. Volumetric glassware should never be heated or used for routine reagent preparation. Its main function is for precise and accurate preparation of standard solutions and sample dilutions. Clean flasks should be filled with distilled deionized water before being stored. The water is then discarded before use. Volumetric flasks can be cleaned using the detergent washing and distilled deionized water rinsing procedures described in the general cleaning video. Vigorous shaking of the detergent solution should aid in cleaning the inside of the flasks. After cleaning a volumetric flask, fill with deionized water before returning it to storage. Discard water before using the flask again. Rinse volumetric pipettes immediately after use and place in a pipette storage jar filled with 2% Citronox acid cleaning solution. When full, the basket of the storage jar is transferred to a washer/rinser. Cycle warm water through the pipette washer approximately 10 to 12 times. After the detergent has been completely rinsed from the washer, drain tap water from the washer and fill with distilled water. Raise and lower the basket several times to cause agitation and flush out the inside of the pipettes. Allow pipettes to soak in distilled water for 10 to 15 minutes. Drain the washer and refill it with fresh distilled water. Raise and lower the basket, agitating and flushing out the inside of the pipettes. Repeat distilled water flush at least 3 times, allowing the pipettes to soak in distilled water between cycles. After the last rinse cycle, remove the basket and drain off the excess water. Remove each pipette from the storage basket and rinse briefly with distilled deionized water using a wash bottle. Transfer to drying rack with tips up. Fill the pipette storage jar with fresh 2% Citronox acid detergent before returning to the emptied basket.